back to Wagyu Auto. I'm Dan, and what we're going to work on today is this 23 Mclaren GT. I'm probably going to start out with working on the fenders and then potentially go into the hood. Filling in for Mitch this week while he's out in Florida. So we're holding down the fort here. This is just some water here to clean off any overspray gel that's on this panel from the panels that we installed yesterday. It's water-based gel, so the best thing to get it off is water. Clean this wraparound edge here. This is just my final wipe. I'm just wiping it down with some alcohol here before I put the panel on here. Spraying it down with the Expel gel, installation gel. Well, we got our fender PPF here that I've got sprayed down. We got the panel sprayed down, so we're going to transport it over here. I'm going to anchor down this film right here on the door, the adjacent panel here, so that when I do my stretch here in a moment, it's all that tension is coming off of this area here, and rather than having it tacked to the actual fender and potentially creating a stretch line. Did my initial stretch here. Now I'm just going to anchor it down across this body line up here before I go any further. Be sure none of this moves on me as I'm continuing on with the panel install. That looks good. It's looking great. Really wasn't too bad. Flush out the gel around all the edges here, and then we'll move on to the other fender. These are some gel bubbles there. Basically, it's just the wraparound edges on is what's left on both of these fenders here. They weren't too bad. The install went well on both of them. They weren't too bad. Well, knocked out those two fenders on the old Mickey D McLaren there. Now we're going to work on the hood. Let's get this hood sprayed down. The alignment on this badge down here, as this is a cutout, pattern cut around that badge. So that's what we're focused on here. That will be our priority here. Yeah, there's not any stretch really involved here. Working our way out from the badge. Just finished squeegeeing down the hood. So now we got the same as the fenders. We just got to address all the wraparounds. I mean, this is an extremely easy hood to install. So easy breezy. Like I said, I did the main bumper yesterday, and obviously the fenders earlier, so that was really the only, as far as stretch goes, you know, in a panel being difficult and whatnot, got all that out of the way. So really the only thing left that's going to be a big challenge are the mirror caps. Gonna do probably a custom two-piece mirror cap, but the shape of those is that's extremely difficult to wrap and look good and get full coverage. All right, everybody, it's Dan at Wagyu Auto. We have just finished up this 23 Mclaren GT. We did the full front and rockers paint protection film on it. This one we did the 8mm film. Install went great. I mean, it was a challenging car. Definitely got some heavily contoured panels and whatnot, but we got it done. The mirrors were two-piece custom mirror caps, which were probably the most difficult part on the car actually to get wrapped. But yeah, we got it done. The customer's on his way to pick up, and we appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe to the channel. Come back and see us next time.